Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dog Street Finance. What are stocks? Featuring Barky and his bone empire. This is Barky. Barky has a huge dream. He wants to build the world's biggest bone company. But tiny problem. Barky has zero money. Barky's first big idea. Maybe rob a house? But his plan fails. So Barky goes to rich business dogs. He says, "I have big dream of building a bone company. You give money. I give you an ownership piece of my company. This piece is called stock." They like the idea. They invest. Now Barky has money to build bone factories, delivery systems, cool packaging, and investors become part owners of Barky's bone company. But now Barky must be responsible. He should not waste money on luxury vacations, sports cars. He should improve products, expand business, increase profit. If bone company makes profit, Barky may share some profit with investors. This is called dividend. Rich dogs happy. Life great. But if company fails, investors lose money too. But Barky doesn't let that happen. Growth stocks versus blue chip stocks. Sometimes Barky decides, instead of giving profit now, I invest everything back into business. More factories, more products, bigger future. These are called growth stocks. Other companies are already big and stable. Not super fast growth, but steady and reliable. These are blue chip stocks. Common stock versus preference stock. Common stock is normal stock. Same ownership rights. Then comes billionaire dog. He says, I invest big money, but I want special benefits. Maybe guaranteed profit first. Maybe stronger decision power. This special ownership is preference stock. Good money. But too much control is risky. More money equals more conditions. So Barky must think smart. Barky makes strong decisions. Bone company becomes huge. Global brand. Commercials everywhere. Now Barky does IPO, initial public offering. He lists the company in the stock market. What is stock market? Stock market is a giant global marketplace. Companies list themselves. Investors can buy ownership, sell ownership. Price changes daily. If company performs great, price goes up. If company performs bad, price falls. Long term. Good businesses win. Bad ones disappear. Today we learned about stocks, dividends, growth stock versus blue chip stocks, preference versus common stock in stock market. Investing is not gambling. It is believing in good businesses and giving them time. If you enjoyed learning with Barky, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to follow our channel Dog Street Finance.